Yes, I did just dye my hair red. If you haven't watched that video, go check it out. I dyed my hair red, not only because my girlfriend really likes me with red hair, but also because I have so many red hair dyes. I might as well dye my extensions. You know what I mean? These extensions are multicolored, but unfortunately none of them match my hair right now. Something needs to happen with these. My hair hasn't been long enough for extensions in probably a year and a half. Do I regret cutting a pixie cut? No, of course not. But would I like to be able to put my hair up sometimes? Yeah. Not gonna lie, I feel like this might take me like 2 days to do this. What, you don't think this looks good right now? Are you sure about that? Are you sure about that? I understand a lot has to happen here. Ow. Oh, it's pulling. Should probably put gloves on. Perfect. Oh. Do I regret turning my old extensions like red and black? Sure. Do I also regret, actually I think that's the only thing I regret right now. Pray to the dye gods that these extensions match my hair. But let's see tomorrow. Well, I am not gonna lie, it has been a week. I definitely like missed some spots. You know what? It's good enough. I have an idea. The back of my hair is so short right now. Can this be braided? Maybe by someone who can braid. But I could take some little elastics. We're gonna hack this thing. I feel like this is gonna pull my hair a lot, and I'm already sad about it. Ooh, looking so good. Okay, now we're taking the big one. Oh, this is so perfect. Wow, I literally just came up with that on the spot. I didn't even plan this out. Like, this is, wow. Oh my God. This is crazy. Why is this actually a mullet right now? Well, my actual hair is not the same color. Okay. Okay. When I put the red on top of my brown hair, it made my hair red brown. But the extensions were bleached, so they are blonde with red on top. So it is different. It is different. Like, maybe it just looked like roots, you know? Maybe just the darker roots. I don't know. Oh, goodness. Oh, I'm nervous. Hey, girlfriend? You know, someone commented on my last video and they said, how come we never see your girlfriend?
Are you serious?
Yeah.
That sucks.
Which, to be fair, my girlfriend has been in videos. I think you were just, like, not in that particular short that was posted. But everyone wants to see your face.
Oh, that sucks.
Oh, now?
Hell no, I just had the cookie.
Wait, you just had the cookies with the black icing? Now your mouth is dyed?
Yes.
Yeah, no one's gonna see her right now. If you want to see my girlfriend's beautiful face, you can track her last car camping trip on YouTube.
I'll comment down below.
She'll comment down below. And then you can comment on all the videos and say, where's Hannah? Where's Hannah? Where's Hannah? This is insane. I'm not excited to take all of these elastics out of my hair.
Wait, you call them elastics?
Why? What do you call them?
Hair ties.
Well, they're like elastic though.
We'll talk after.
Perfect. Someone tell me how the back looks. Oh, maybe this was a bad idea. Okay, I can do this. We're just gonna keep going. I'm gonna cry. Oh man, I don't know about this. Oh! Okay, this doesn't look like how I thought it would. Oh, It's too bad it just doesn't match. You know what? We might be able to pull off like a hairstyle though. Fortunately, all of my shears, like my actual shears, are at my work. So, we'll see how this goes. I'm gonna cry. Oh. I'd be worried about cutting my own hair, but my own hair is too short. I'm essentially giving myself a mullet right now. Can you hear this out there?
Yeah, it's terrifying.
Ooh, okay, we're getting somewhere. Layers without looking. I'm feeling a little defeated. I'm not gonna lie. I just cut all of this hair off of these extensions, and I feel like I don't know if anything is gonna make it look good. I can just make it short. Maybe I'll just curl it a little bit and see if it can be redeemed. I'm already thinking, like, should I stop curling and actually just cut it? Like, cut it really short? But then what's the point? What is the point? This is the best thing that's gonna happen today with this video. Nothing wrong with doing a little hide the layers with a clip, right? Honestly, not terrible. Is it obvious there are extensions? Maybe so. But we're not looking at the imperfections, we're looking at the perfections. Girlfriend, do you want to come see? Are you ready?
Oh my god, I'm nervous. After hearing all of that turmoil.
It was a lot. It was really hard.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah. Whoa. Oh, okay. One more? Yeah. Hot. You were freaking out for what? This looks good.
We're not gonna take it down. My hair extensions, because they're not the same color. You know what? We can't win all the time in the way that we thought we'd win.
But halfway there is better than no way there.
You're so right for that. Yeah. I do think at the end of the day, we learned a lot. Why did you laugh at that?
Learning experience.
Well, I mean, I think so. I literally invented, excuse me, I literally invented putting little elastics in to hold up the clips.
And you literally did that.
Thank
Hell
you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Should we do a 24-hour challenge next? Something comes over me when I have flippable hair, I'm not gonna lie. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you next time.